Okay, so I've had this old TV tray for a few years now that I use as a backup table in my craft room, and I just got tired of looking at it like this, so it was time for a transformation. So I ordered some pink marble contact paper from Amazon, and I'll show you what I bought at the end of this video. And all I'm doing is measuring out my TV tray, and then I'm going to clean it real good with some alcohol, make sure there's no dirt or debris left on it so the contact paper can apply easily. And so I'm going to open it. I was struggling a little bit to get it open, but it's okay. I got it. So we're going to open it. And I'm going to lay it out on my table and measure it out. Make sure it's long enough. And then we're going to get some scissors and cut the rest off. And then you need a scraper or something to help get the air bubbles out. So now I'm going to peel the back off. That was a little struggle too, but it's okay. I got it. So we're going to apply it to the table, and I'm going to use my other hand and my scraper to guide me and make sure there's no air bubbles. And it's very sticky, so be careful. So I'm applying it to the table, taking my time, making sure it's smooth, using my scraper to make sure there's no air bubbles. And if you just watch how I do it, see how easy it is to apply. Just take your time. So all I'm going to do is fold over the ends, fold those corners in, and that's pretty much it. All done. Ta-da! I'm going to leave where I got it from on Amazon. You can also check out my Amazon store under my crafty section and follow me for more tips and to stay connected.